right, we're here with Mike, CEO of XWorks. How are we doing today, Mike?
Good, man. How you doing?
Doing great. So we're coming up, I believe, on our 4th month of working together. How's your experience been so far, and how much money have we made you directly working together?
It's been great so far. Communication's been awesome. Pretty hands off, and we basically doubled email revenue since we started working together. So that's what you want to see.
Perfect. Yeah. So we went from, what was it? I believe like 22,000 per month to coming up on 50,000.
Correct. Yep.
Yeah. So pretty solid. Awesome. And what sort of challenges were you guys facing before we started working together?
I was running all the email myself, so I was basically coming to the limit of my ability and then also time. So I have a general concept of how email marketing works. I just didn't have the skill level to kind of take it to where it needed to be. So it kind of worked out great meeting you and setting up from there. So
Awesome. Glad to hear that. And last question for me. What would you tell somebody who's sort of sat on the fence about working with us?
I would definitely jump on it. You don't realize how much you're missing if you don't really have everything optimized like it should be. It's definitely worth at least having a chat with you, or any email expert really. But my experience has actually been great with you guys. So yeah, I would definitely recommend anybody to reach out and give it a go.
Awesome, man. Always a pleasure hopping on with you, and highly appreciate your sort of testimonial here. Awesome.